Hey everyone, as you know, it's Frog Kingdom, and today I just got some Builders Club, with my Robux gift card, and I got this frog hat, because you guys know I love frogs. So let's go out. I'm here with my friend, with my cousin, Narako the Wolf. Say hi, Narako. Okay. Oh yeah.
I will be back.
So yeah, he's gonna get something, and then he's gonna come get me. So if you guys want more Roblox videos, please leave a comment down below and comment and subscribe about what video should make next. So yeah, I'm gonna break out. Don't punch me. And yeah. So guys, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. So I'm sorry I couldn't make a Christmas video. I'm sorry for that. I will make videos about the stuff I got for Christmas. So yeah, and also uh and also I might make a video about all the dinosaur stuff I got. Yeah. And I'm gonna make probably a Dino Simulator video once, sometime in the future. And yo, man, where you at? Where you at? Oh, there you at. Wow. So yeah, guys. This is him.
I'm broke.
Yeah, he broke. He don't got no Robux. That's sad. I'm gonna get my shoddy. Yeah. Wow. And I think I can get that AK. Kamari, how much is the AK? Oh, frick. I can't get that.
I don't know because I already bought it.
Wait, you already brought it? Oh, it was 15,000.
We're gonna have to go rob some places then.
Oh yeah, guys. When I was playing this earlier, he rolled me there again, and I got flipped all the way over to that wall over there. If you can see where my cursor is pointing at. I was just making sure that wasn't the cop, because he looked like it.
You act like it too.
So yeah, I'm gonna grab my pistol. Yeah, get in the back seat. And guys, if you want to friend me, my thing is right there. So and stuff. I need 35,000, but I only got 5,931. So if you guys play jailbreak, remember, if you see my name, remember to tell me that you watch the channel. Something like that. I don't have that much subscribers anyway.
Let's go.
Oh, you robbing it? But I don't have a key card.
They changed the lasers.
Hey, let's get out of here, man.
Alright, you try getting through. Actually, you do that. I'll get through the lasers.
I'm gonna die. I just know it. Why do you have to make the lasers like this?
It's hard.
Yes.
I already took half health. Oh my god, you almost died.
Help.
I can't die because I'm the only one with a key card now.
That was the wrong way, Kamari, Narako. Hey, I got money in the bank. Money in the bank. Money in the bank. Oh, should I be quiet so they don't know I'm here? I gotta hide. I got a shoddy. Alright.
Be careful, Braylon.
I'm gonna die.
I'm probably gonna be dying with you.
Because we always die in these, because we're bad.
Go ahead.
Yay!
Go. Oh, there's a laser at the very end.
What? I walked through it. I walked through that.
Let's go.
I'm slow. You gotta get out of here. Come on.
Got your money?
Oh no!
You're lucky there was no cops, because I would have left you.
We got out of there!
Now let's go for the jewelry store.
Wait, what?
You heard me. We're going for the jewelry store. You can stay out of this one if you want. Oh.
No.
Well,
Why?
I know what I gotta do.
No!
Dang. Get his car.
Right, open it up. Is it closed?
That's closed. Well, I guess you can't do that one. Let's try robbing the train.
Or the museum. We haven't robbed that one in a while. Should we rob the museum actually?
Yeah. It's easier.
You just gotta dodge all those flashlights. I'll get in the dinosaur's bones. I'll get in the dino bones. Not gonna get out of there.
I'll get the mummy.
Remember how we were on the helicopter and then I grabbed and one of us had was on the rope and then one of us we hold the bag.
Yeah.
It was like, come on! For some reason I think that would be in the movie for some reason.
It probably would be. Oh well, I don't know what happened with that car.
It died.
It just broke down on itself.
But no one was using it. How it breaks down?
Ignore that.
Yeah. Wait, what was that?
Just on its side, like they didn't even make it up here.
Okay, guys, we're here at the jewelry
Get
store.
up there, I'm gonna position the bike.
This is not the jewelry store.
This is
I need you. Oh, we need to wait 209 minutes or seconds.
You just gonna leave then?
No,
You're really gonna wait 209 minutes?
199 seconds.
199 seconds.
192. 190. 188.
This is a few minutes.
Let's go. I broke my back. What do you think of this, Mr. Ribbits? Good job, Mr. Ribbits. Why'd you lock it?
Oh, sorry. Forgot I did. There's a bunch of bullets going on.
Mr. Ribbits, do you think we'll have a good job on us as being criminals? Okay, Mr. Ribbits. Alright, Mr. Ribbits, let's go.
Okay, just act like I'm not here. I'm just kidding.
I'm talking to Mr. Ribbits. Don't talk to him like that.
I wasn't even talking to him. I was talking to you.
Be quiet.
Oh, you're making no sense?
No, I am making sense.
Hold on.
How'd you accomplish this?
Is that the briefcase? No.
Wait. Where's the beef craze? Where is it?
What did you just call it? The beef crate?
Yeah.
Call it the briefcase.
Beef case. They keep beef in there. Is that a cop?
Why does it give us money?
Because the beef is money. People like eating their money for some reason. I don't know why.
Alright, let's go to a high point and... Actually, I got a better idea. Let's leave the bike for a little bit and let's get a helicopter.
Yeah. Where are you going to find one?
There's a few police stations around the place. I'll find one. I want to get a helicopter so we can get to the supply drop faster.
So guys, I don't even know what we're doing right now.
We're going to get a helicopter so we can get airdrop
How are we supposed to do that? I don't know. Wait, you can only get them when they land. You know that, right?
Yeah, but sometimes you don't notice them, so we're going to get one. Or we're going to get a helicopter so we can see them and we can go.
No, we're going to the jewelry store now.
Fine, then, but if an airdrop goes by, good luck and goodbye to saying goodbye to any freaking legendary stuff you could get.
Is it open?
It actually is open. Okay.
Let's go.
I'll get the right side.
Ah, break in.
You get the left side, I get the right.
But why I have to get the left?
Because, don't worry about it.
Is something wrong with you?
No, I just wanted to get the right. Let's go.
You like right?
I mean, I'm right-handed, so I might as well go for the right.
I'm
By the way, now you can see where the eye thing is, where the camera's looking.
We been could see that.
It was harder before.
Oh no, I got hurt.
Now there's a bright area to see.
Ow. I'm gonna die.
Don't die. Try your best.
They're spotting me. Lag! Lag killed me.
Did you die?
Yes. I said lag. And now I was in the ground for a second.
I'm going to finish this. Alright, I finished that.
Have you noticed that dino tail in the criminal base?
Yeah.
That's cool.
There was a cop trying to get me, I think.
I'm shooting it.
I come with you. Should I come to you with a bike or should I go get a helicopter?
Bike.
Okay, then I'm going with the bike.
The light just went off. I shot the lights off.
How'd you accomplish that?
I don't know. I just shot a bunch of bullets everywhere and the lights went off. Because they're ricocheting. If a cop went in here, they would get hit by a bunch of bullets. Unless they got the moves like Swagger.
After I pick you up, we're gonna go to the museum because I see people going to it.
Quick! You don't want to be lost. Wait, no, left. Not lost. That sounds weird. I don't know how it sounds weird. Well, guys,
Where you at?
I'm coming out. Watch me break my legs. Oh, dang it. I didn't break my legs. That was cool. Let's go. Right now. Don't lock it. Alright, guys. After we rock... Alright, guys. We're going to do something cool. If y'all heard him, he said we're going to rob the museum because he saw people going there. Well, that's probably going to be a bad idea because then we're all going to be locked up by cops. Mr. Rivers, do you think we'll survive? He said yeah.
If we don't get caught.
He said yeah. He thinks Mr. Rivers, I believe in us. We will do it. And guys, just to let you know, there might be a video where I show y'all the new frog. If y'all like, wait, what happened to the other frog? Sadly, he died. R.I.P. Packy. R.I.P. He didn't like nobody, but he sure did love eating. Be quiet, brother.
Right.
I can't tell the people my brother's name. But then they're going to be like, oh my goodness, I want you. Oh my goodness, y'all are brothers. No, I'm even going to tell them.
I'm pretty sure nobody would care, but okay.
Wow. Museum, just wow.
Well, time to go. You went on.
Are you okay? I make a video about Super Smash Bros. Guys. Yeah, that's right. I got Super Smash Ultimate.
I beat the Ultimate.
Right, like today.
Wait, if we fought today.
So you have all the characters.